In this video clip, I'll be showing you how we are going to measure for our desk. Now our cabinet on the right is going to be a permanent fixture, so we're going to use this as a baseline when measuring against our wall. Now along this wall, our desk can be no longer than about